Hey, have you ever imagined a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space? It's not a joke, it really exists. It's zillions of kilometers from Earth, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Want to know where it's hiding? It's like a secret cosmic bar among the stars. And the smell? Some say it's like raspberry with rum, space dessert. But can we smell it? There's more. This cloud isn't just pretty, it helps make stars, and might even have clues about how life began. How did it form? I'll show you the universe's crazy recipe, with dust and gases dancing together, and the type of alcohol. It's got all kinds up there, but watch out, it's not for toasting. Could we visit this cloud someday? Or will it stay out of reach forever? And here's a twist, it changes space like a helper for the stars. Curious yet? Then come with me on this space trip. We'll explore every bit of this amazing cloud, from its scent to the secrets it holds about the universe. Don't blink, because at the end I'll tell you something jaw-dropping about what it's doing up there right now. Stick with me to the end of this wild cosmic adventure. What is this alcohol cloud? Hey, picture a giant cloud in space, but not made of water like the rain clouds we see. This one's special, made of alcohol. Not the kind you'd put in juice, but alcohol floating among the stars like an endless cosmic party. It's super far from Earth, thousands of light years away, like millions of car trips to the store. It's so huge that if it were liquid, it could fill billions of Olympic pools, the deep ones you dive into head first. Astronomers, who are like space detectives, found it using giant telescopes that work like magic glasses to see invisible stuff. They pointed at the sky and, surprise, there was this crazy cloud. It's not alone, it lives in a messy area full of starry dust and gases, like a chaotic space city. We can't touch it, but just knowing it's there is awesome, right? It's like a secret the universe kept for billions of years, waiting for someone smart to spot it. Where is it? Hey, wanna know where this alcohol cloud lives? It's not close like the park around the corner. It's way out there, in special spots in space with adventure movie names. One's called Sagittarius B2, a place full of twinkling stars right in the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, like the heart of our giant space home. Another's in W3OH, about 6,500 light years from Earth. What's that mean? If you zoomed at light speed, like a flying superhero, it'd take 6,500 years to get there. That's like biking to the moon millions of times. These spots are like cosmic bars among the stars, but no tables or chairs, just dust and gases swirling around. They're in areas where new stars are born, like universe nurseries full of light and mystery. Sometimes astronomers peek at these clouds with telescopes, and they show up as glowing patches in the dark sky. We can't visit, but imagining it feels like a wild trip, huh? It's like the universe has its own secret hideouts, and these clouds are the hidden treasures. What kind of alcohol is in it? Hey, want to know what type of alcohol's in this space cloud? It's not all the same. First, there's methanol, a super dangerous kind. You can't drink it because it's like a powerful poison used in stuff like gasoline or chemicals. If you put it in a cup, it'd cause a big mess. Then there's a bit of ethanol, the kind in beer or fruity drinks adults have at parties. But hold on, no making a drink with this cloud. Why? It's all mixed with weird toxic gases, like space dust and stuff that smells bad, like sulfur or rocket smoke. Picture a cosmic soup with ingredients no one would taste. Scientists figured this out with smart machines that analyze starlight, like magic noses sniffing space. It's wild to think the universe has this floating around, but it's more for looking at than using. So, no space alcohol party, okay? Better leave it up there, nice and quiet, while we sip cold juice down here. How did it form? Hey, ever wondered how this alcohol cloud popped up in space? It's like a wacky universe recipe. Imagine space as a giant kitchen with cool ingredients, starry dust like tiny glitter, and gases like hydrogen and carbon, the main spices. These bits slowly mix, bumping into each other for millions of years, until they turn into alcohol molecules, like methanol and ethanol we talked about. Sometimes baby stars help out, heating everything up like a cosmic oven, making the magic happen. It's like the heat shakes up the ingredients and boom, the cloud's born. These special spots where clouds form are like space factories, full of gases and dust spinning together. Scientists say this is normal in space because it's always cooking new stuff. Stars, planets, and funny clouds like this. It's not fast, like baking a cake, but takes so long the universe has made billions of them. It's a chemical adventure up there, and we just watch, guessing what this space soup smells like. Can we smell it? Hey, ever thought about sniffing a space cloud? Well, this alcohol cloud's got a perfumed secret. Scientists found that in Sagittarius B2, there's something called ethyl formate, which smells sweet like raspberries and a hint of rum, like a raspberry cake with chocolate frosting. Picture a giant cloud drifting among the stars, giving off this yummy scent like a cosmic bakery. But hold on, we can't smell it from Earth. It's so far that no nose can reach it. Astronomers use superpower telescopes that sniff starlight and go, "Hey, raspberries up there." They don't really smell it, but their machines catch chemical clues and turn them into stuff we get. Isn't that cool? A piece of space that's like a dessert. But with that nice smell, there's weird gases too, like stinky dust or space smoke, so it's not a cake you'd eat. Better just imagine the scent while we enjoy a raspberry ice cream down here, right? Why is it important? Hey, want to know why this alcohol cloud's so cool for scientists? It's like a superbook telling space stories. These clouds help figure out how stars are born, like shiny baby stars popping up in the sky. They're packed with organic molecules like alcohol, tiny bits of life. Think of them as colorful building blocks that billions of years ago helped make living things, even us. When astronomers peek at these clouds with huge telescopes, they learn how the universe mixes these ingredients to whip up planets and stars. It's like spying on an old recipe for everything's start. Plus, studying them shows how gases and dust dance up there, creating spots for new space adventures. It's not just a bunch of alcohol floating, it's a clue to unlock cosmic mysteries. Maybe it even helps us guess if there's life on other planets. It's like a giant puzzle, and every piece the cloud reveals gets scientists jumping with joy, like space detectives. Can we go there? Hey, ever dreamed of visiting this alcohol cloud in space? Sorry, no way. It's so far, thousands of light years from Earth, like zillions of kilometers. Even with the fastest spaceship from movies with blinking lights, it'd take millions of years to get there. Can you imagine? You'd need snacks for ages. Also, the alcohol isn't liquid like juice. It's a gas, all spread out, mixed with space dust and weird stuff. You couldn't fill a cup because it'd float everywhere like a giant bubble. Astronomers only see it with super strong telescopes, like magic binoculars, catching starlight. So no space trip to this cloud. Better stay on Earth where the ground doesn't vanish under your feet. Maybe one day we'll invent something to get closer. But for now, we just look up and dream about flying to this cosmic bar. How about a chocolate milk instead? It's way easier to grab and doesn't need a spaceship. Can it change space? Hey, ever thought if this alcohol cloud does something special up there? Yep, it's not just sitting pretty. These clouds help make new stuff in the universe, like stars and planets. The alcohol and gases inside are like seeds that, when they mix with starry dust, can form bigger chunks. Imagine a cake rising in the oven, but super slow, over millions of years. Sometimes, when a star explodes far away, like a giant fireball, it scatters more stuff that lands in the cloud, tweaking it a bit. That makes new clouds or changes the ones already there, like the universe playing cosmic Lego. Scientists say these shifts matter because they mess with how the universe grows. It's like the cloud's a secret helper, piecing bits together to make space more exciting. We can't watch it happen fast, but it's cool to think it's up there, working quietly like a universe cook.